Hey guys, welcome back to Centric. This is the review of Philips BT50B, the Bluetooth speaker. Is it worth the money? Let's find out. Usually packages which are small in size are sometimes the best and are light in the pocket too. And this product is a great example of that. Especially when Philips advertises the Bluetooth speaker as big sound that fits in a fist. The speaker is compact and well designed. It fits in my palm very well. The speaker is a bit shorter than the iPhone 5s, and that gives a good idea of how short it is. There are a wide range of color options to choose from. There is white plus fluorescent, white plus grey, grey plus fluorescent orange, turquoise plus fluorescent yellow, and finally black, which I have here. It is compatible with devices which support Bluetooth 4.0 and below. It can be connected via Bluetooth as well as an auxiliary cable, which was not provided in the box. There is an LED indicator which blinks white when charging and stays on white when auxiliary cable is connected. It blinks blue when it's pairing with the device, and there is solid blue when it's connected to the device. There is one upward facing speaker which is meant to keep straight up. It charges with micro USB cable. The cable which comes in the box is extremely small, and charging adapter does not come with the package. The range of the Bluetooth connection is 10 meters or 30 feet. I could keep my phone at the room and take the speaker with me to the living room, and there would be no connection problem. Now it is time for the sound test. Alright, first let's go to settings, Bluetooth, switch it on, Philips BT50, connected, yeah, here we go. Let's play some song. Wow, considering the size of the speaker, the loudness is really good. Also, at the highest level of volume, there's no distortion that we can hear. Philips guarantees that the speaker will not lower its volume even when it has low battery. We love bass in our music. Out of the speaker, we can't expect mind-blowing bass, but it's fine again, keeping the size in mind. The battery in the speaker is really good. It lasts for 8 hours on non-stop music. And finally, the price of the speaker is 2000 rupees, which is roughly around $30. You can easily get it off of Amazon for under 1000. So as for the question worth the money, it's a question that you would have to ask yourself. In our opinion, it's a quality product worth the money. So that's all for today. If you want to see the unboxing of the speaker, click on the card at the top left. We opened up an Instagram and Twitter account for the channel. Follow us over there. The username is @TechCentricYT. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and why not subscribe to TechCentric for more videos like this. Until next time, peace.